You are moving at incredible speed. Not in a car, not on a plane, but because Earth itself is spinning at the equator. Our planet rotates at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour, yet we never feel it. Everything seems perfectly still. What if Earth stopped spinning? Would we simply have longer days, or would it become one of the greatest disasters in Earth's history? In the next few minutes, and you're about to discover what would happen if Earth suddenly stopped spinning, and by the end of this video, you'll probably say, "I didn't know that." If Earth suddenly stopped spinning, you wouldn't stop moving. Neither would your house. Neither would the atmosphere. Neither would the oceans. Everything on the surface would continue moving eastward at the speed Earth had been rotating. Think about sitting inside a speeding car. When the driver slams on the brakes, your body keeps moving forward. Now imagine that happening on a planetary scale. Cars, buildings, trees, people, entire cities could experience catastrophic destruction within seconds. The closer you are to the equator, the more extreme the effects would be. Regions near the poles would experience less movement, but almost nowhere would escape completely. And that would only be the beginning. The winds would be insane. Even if Earth stopped, the atmosphere wouldn't stop immediately. The air around the planet would continue moving at tremendous speed. This would create winds unlike anything in recorded history. We're not talking about ordinary storms or even powerful hurricanes. Some scientists estimate that winds could exceed hundreds of kilometers per hour across vast regions. The force would be strong enough to rip roofs from buildings, flatten forests, destroy power lines, and send debris flying across entire cities. Dust and particles would fill the atmosphere. Visibility could drop dramatically. Many regions would experience storms lasting days or even weeks. But the atmosphere isn't the only thing that carries momentum. The oceans do too. And what happens next could be even worse. Mega-tsunamis. Earth's oceans are constantly moving with the planet. If the planet suddenly stopped, the oceans would continue moving. And water on that scale contains an unimaginable amount of energy. The result? Mega-tsunamis. Not the kind caused by earthquakes, not the kind seen in modern disasters. Massive walls of water would surge across coastlines around the world. Ports, beaches, and low-lying regions could disappear beneath enormous waves. Many of the world's largest cities exist near the ocean. New York, Tokyo, Shanghai, London, all could face devastating consequences. The planet would still face another major problem, the cycle of day and night. 6 months of day, 6 months of night. Today, Earth rotates once every 24 hours. That rotation creates sunrise and sunset, day and night. Imagine standing beneath a sun that never sets. Temperatures on the sunlit side would climb dramatically. Deserts could expand. Water sources could dry up. Meanwhile, the dark side would experience the opposite. Only endless night. Temperatures could plunge far below freezing. Large regions might become covered in ice. Many plants would struggle to survive. Agriculture would become incredibly difficult. Would humanity survive? Probably, but life would be very different. Many cities would be damaged. Weather patterns would change. And people might need to move to regions with more stable temperatures. But Earth would never be the same again. Fortunately, Earth is not expected to suddenly stop spinning, and it will continue spinning long after we're gone. The ground beneath your feet feels completely still, yet you're actually moving through space at incredible speed every second of your life. So tell me, what part surprised you the most? The giant winds? The mega-tsunamis? 6 months of daylight and darkness? Comment below and let me know. And if you learned something new today, comment, "I didn't know that," and subscribe for more extraordinary truths hidden inside ordinary things.